This is my 2015 bike check. And to start off, my bike is 98% customized. Besides the frame being stock, the only parts that I have up here that's stock is my stem and my fork. And I plan on changing those soon. So I have a 2012 Stolen Casino, matte black. I have the S&M Perfect10s, 30 inches wide, 10 inches high, and trans gold. I have Fit Benny grips and gum with Odyssey plastic par ends. I have a standard gold ACS headset. My frame is a 20.5, by the way. I have a bone deaf leopard print seat with a Kink Stump seat post. You can't really see that because I ride my seat slam now. And I have an S&M XTL black seat clamp. I have Eastern cranks. I think they're 170 millimeter with limited edition Odyssey Aloha plastic pedals. Let's see. I have Fit TA tires, all gum, 2.4, both front and back. I wouldn't recommend these if you don't have a lot of space between your fork and the tire, because they're kind of wide when you inflate them. So I mean, I have clearance back here, but I'm just trying to warn people, if you do want these tires and if you do get 2.4s, make sure it fits your fork and your back end. I have Alienation rims in purple, laced to both Redline Hubs. I'll give you a hub sound after the video. I have a gold KMC chain. I have all 4 Shadow Conspiracy little one pegs in copper. I got them off my friend for $20 like last year in October. And that's pretty much it. There goes a hub sound. Oh, and my sprocket, by the way, is Eastern too.